everybody. Pearl, Tracy and Sunshine here, and day number 23.
So close. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve.
2 more days until the real Christmas, not Eve.
Yeah.
And I can't wait until you make that treasure hunt for me.
Oh yes, it's very exciting. We have a Christmas Eve box here, which has a treasure hunt to it. Oh, this is another one of our inspiration books. This one is going to be featuring our Indigo and Violet collection. Lots of gorgeous ideas in here. So many beautiful things you can make with these collections. And we really hope you enjoy what is to come. We'll see you tomorrow for day number 24. Thanks guys, bye.
Bye.